We are thrilled to present the remarkable window installation project undertaken by California Deluxe Windows in a stunning newly renovated house nestled in the scenic Westlake Village. The focal point of this exceptional renovation is the installation of our premium windows, meticulously crafted from high-quality materials. These windows exemplify our unwavering dedication to excellence, ensuring that every homeowner's needs are met with the utmost precision. At California Deluxe Windows, we understand the significance of creating an environment that provides tranquility and respite from the outside world. That's why these specially designed windows are not only visually captivating but also provide exceptional protection against unwanted noise and excessive sunlight. With our windows, homeowners can relish in the perfect balance between seclusion and breathtaking vistas. Imagine waking up to the gentle glow of the morning sun as it cascades over the shimmering lake. Or picture yourself unwinding after a long day, witnessing the breathtaking hues of a captivating sunset from the comfort of your own home. These incredible windows bring the beauty of the outdoors inside, allowing you to revel in the splendor of nature without stepping foot on your patio or balcony. Every room is transformed into a sanctuary where residents can immerse themselves in the serene ambience of Westlake Village. The windows have been strategically positioned to maximize the breathtaking views, ensuring that every corner of the house offers an enchanting vista. Our team of skilled professionals worked diligently to bring this vision to life, ensuring the perfect fit and flawless execution of every window. We take immense pride in our attention to detail, providing our clients with a seamless and stress-free experience from consultation to installation. As you browse through the captivating photos and videos of this Westlake Village project, we invite you to envision the possibilities that await you. With California Deluxe Windows, your home will become a personal sanctuary, where you can savor the magnificent views and create cherished memories. Whether you desire a panoramic view, enhanced energy efficiency, or a touch of architectural elegance, California Deluxe Windows is ready to turn your dreams into reality.